we need to discuss yung ano, yung work allocation and yung cross-training. So since done naman na yung month end, I hope for everyone. Um, Pwede na natin start uli yung cross-trainings. Um, Share lang ako ng screen. So in terms of the allocation, um, ito yung mga task natin so far. Um, if meron kayong task na wala pa dito sa listahan, pwedeng pa-add na lang din. And then for Kelly, hindi ko sure kung na-segregate mo na ba yung G10 such that meron kang AUD, tama ba?
AUD,
AUD
GPY,
G10 and
Ay,
USDS.
iba-iba kasi
Parang
cover.
oo,
Ay,
ganun na split. Kung kakayanin na ano siya, i
split ko
ano,
na lang din
na
siya.
split mo para din sa cover mo. Alam mo kung sino yung iti-train. But technically, I mean, ideally, dapat lahat na controllers uh, ma matitrain natin dun sa process. So, ideally, dapat meron tayong dalawang backup for yung mga process natin. So, yung individual processes natin, kailangan may backup tayo. So, ito yung original na ginawa ni Nino na backup or yung coverage plan. So, I'm not sure kung meron kayong comments or meron kayong other suggestion o kung paano siya i-segregate or ano yung mas okay na split. Although may ginawa din ako dito na parang parang simulation kung may isang taong naka-leave, sino yung gagawa nung ano niya, kung sino yung actual cover. Pero ito, assuming isa lang, one at a time lang yung wala. So kaya kailangan natin ng second level just in case lang merong dalawa na wala. So ideally, dapat for each process, merong dalawang at aside from you, aside from kung sino yung owner, merong at least dalawa na nakakalam ng process. May questions kayo or suggestions ba in terms of the workload allocation?
Wala pa naman. Pero
And
for G10, si Heso kasi alam na niya yung AUD and USD. So JPY na lang hindi ko
okay,
na-train sa kanya.
okay, that's good. Then we can just mark it here. Ayun, hindi ko siya
Mm-mm.
malagay dito kung sino
Sige.
yung layer.
Ilalagyan ko na lang ng
Dahil,
per desktop.
oo, so, i-ano mo na lang din, i- i-mark mo na lang na parang training completed. And
Okay.
then, kailan nyo balak, kunyari, parang parallel, ganun. And then, para din ready siya for go live in case kailangan niya mag-support sa'yo. Ayun. What else? Tapos, ayun. So, medyo urgent na yung need for the cross-training. Kailangan talaga siyang gumagalaw na. So, every Thursday, kailangan mag-send ng update to Daidi and Nino on the progress or yung um, status ng mga training. So, before Thursday, sana merong movement yung ano, yung mga trainings natin. So, so Ranel will be monitoring yung status ng mga training and then um, he will also follow up with you kung um, kung nagawa na or kailan yung target. So, kailangan din maglagay dito kailan yung target na training. So, as in specific date na training and then kailan yung parang kung gusto nyo ng parallel, kailan yun. And then, syempre, go live would be if someone needs to cover or kung kailangan mag-rotate. Yun yung parang go live. But importante is yung training. is completed, and then sufficient din na parang confident kung sino man yung magko-cover sa'yo na kaya niyang gawin yung process. And then additionally, yung mga access din, kailangan din siyang erase. So if may cover sa'yo or may i-cover ka, make sure na you have all the access required to run the process. And then, so yeah, I guess yun lang naman. So kung if meron kayong suggestion or violent reaction dun sa coverage plan or yung etong um kung sino yung cover, let us know lang. So we can discuss naman, and then um amend accordingly. So etong plan pala na to, etong parang plan na to is mainly for daily process lang. So hindi pa kasama yung month end dyan. So month end kasi is usually naman sana or ah, walang naka-leave ng month end except for emergencies. So for the month end process, um, so specifically or especially yung galing kay Krista, need na talaga siyang mai-transfer or maituro. So kung meron pang hindi pa natitrain, so alam ko most ng galing kay Krista, kay John, Hesu, or tama ba, Kelly mapupunta. So make sure lang na training um, is completed within this month. And given din na naka-leave si John, so I guess Hesu and Kelly um, kailangan din ng backup on those processes, yung mga monthly processes. And then kung sino man yung may capacity during workday 1 to 6, um, i-coordinate nyo na lang din with Krista kung ano yung capacity nyo. Kasi merong workday 0, workday 1 to 3, and then may 5, 6, and 7 na mga monthly process. Other than that, wala naman. Wala na naman. So, I think, tama ba, Ranel? Ayusin mo na lang yung file in such a way na mas madali for you to monitor yung status or yung
Yes.
update ng trainings.
Yes, yes. So siguro as na lang for everyone, let's plan yung ano, yung target completion ng training ng parallel, and when do we target to go live. So I'll add those dyan sa tracker, and apparently if this will be monitored by the ID and the management. So ayun, we need to uh, really put time dun sa mga trainings natin. So ayun, maybe what we can do is for this week, we'll pakiplan na lang individually sa ating lahat ng action item, as our action item yung mga target dates natin. So yun yung mga critical: completion of training, completion of parallel, and completion of go live for each of these processes. And then afterwards, for the upcoming weeks, we'll have to monitor yung progress. And siguro I'll just add na lang na another column in case there are bottlenecks sa mga training. So for example, there are pending accesses. So para matrack din natin and hindi tayo mabigla once na mag-go live or mag-parallel, or kailangan ng i-cover yung capacity na may mga kulang pa. So ayun, we'll just update yung tracker tapos send ko sa inyo. Pero yun, personally, let's already plan yung timeline ng mga trainings natin, and if there are challenges on incompletion on any of these trainings, ayun na let's raise it immediately para maging aware din yung management in case may mga nakikita tayong mga bottleneck sa expectations nila. Pero ayun, yun lang naman. Basically, we'll need to progress this the upcoming weeks. Pero pwede naman siyang kahit mga pa 30 minutes lang. And my suggestion is if we can record yung mga sessions kasi ayun, given the learning curve, pag mga initial parts ng covers, mga pag-start pa lang ng cover, at least may mga pwede tayong balikan na backup ng trainings and maisan yung um, repetition ng mga trainings natin. Yun lang naman on my end. Then thank you, Ange, and everyone, including me. So I'll need to update this as well on my end. Thank you.
Pa-update na lang din nung FTA hours so that we can see kung medyo balanse ba yung allocation. Kasi as of now, parang as a whole yung pag-allocate, parang PNL, per PNL, per desk yung pag-allocate. So, if you can naman, please update the FTA hours so that we can see kung balanse ba talaga. Baka mamaya yung isa lang yung lunod dun sa sa coverage din. Kasi when you cover for someone, you have your own process plus additional ng other person. So, yun. Yun lang. Sorry, Migs.
On my end, request ko lang na for the walkthroughs for coverage sa CM structured and G10 on the GDM side. Since ako yung tentative reviewer for this particular set, kindly include me in the invites for kung magta-train na kayo. Like I will sit in on those para lang may konting rehearsal rin. But yeah, request ko lang. Thank you.
Okay, noted po. Thank you.
Okay, may questions ba from anyone? Or if wala naman, ay sorry. Meron
Just
ba?
to give an update lang, tomorrow, we'll have a training dun sa, inisip ko commodities PNL muna for Kelly and Hesu kasi di sila free today. Pero tomorrow, nag-usap na kami para ma-move na din yung sa daily since wala si Jan. Sila munang dalawa.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Pa-add na lang din ng yung training date column para ma-monitor lang din yan. Actually, for all the tasks, you can assign na kung kailan nyo balak i-train.
Yeah.
Okay, anything else? Hindi na ako magtatanong ng violent reaction. You can keep it to yourself na lang kung may violent reaction. Okay, sige. Yun lang. Thank you. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.